What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to continue going over the constant symmetrical triangle and technical indicators that are forming on most of the major cryptocurrencies. Specifically, we've been focusing on Bitcoin and Solana's pattern here. Quite interesting on the Solana charts here, but Bitcoin is still within means of a symmetrical triangle in some sort, whether or not we include it like this. And I think I'm going to leave it like this actually for the time being here. And then we also have Ethereum, which is in some sort of uptrend here, and then XRP's symmetrical triangle as well. Lots of these cryptos, we have finally found some sort of technical indicator, and at this point, it's just a waiting game now for the continuation pattern to happen. Now, we did put in entries on a couple of these, Solana specifically and Bitcoin here, with the anticipation of a break to actually take form here. We originally had this chart up like this, and you can see where that point of entry was right here, which ended up being a complete bull trap, and we corrected all the way to the downsides, which is super annoying because I did get stopped out and I'm not too happy about that. But we do have redemption, and redemption should be here fairly soon as we are still within a symmetrical triangle here, and we have completed that bull trap, which means this one should be the real one finally here. We do have the uptrend with continuous higher low patterns here, and at some point this should continue to conform, fill in this gap, and then have nowhere else to go. It should be as early as today, and once we can close above this price ceiling here, we can then buy in and long to the upside, as this is on the 4-hour chart. It is aggressive, I know, but it is something that we do have to pay attention to here. We'll also be looking at the XRP symmetrical triangle. This is going to take much longer as this is forming on the daily charts and not the 4-hour. Ethereum in some sort of consolidative stance here, but at this point, I just think we're inside some sort of sideways channel here. I could move this a hair, and maybe that will open up some new supports. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it still kind of looks like that here, but again, nothing that I'm really truly focused on here. My main focus is on the uptrend that's at stake here, and mainly on XRP, Bitcoin, and then the Solana chart right here. You can see we did dip below it. It is kind of annoying here. I don't have enough to show support. Like, I don't have enough on this bottom uptrend to really confirm a uptrend line. Like, maybe this is it. Maybe this is the start of the uptrend. We only have 2 points of confirmation here as we rebound off that moving average. But ideally, what we are looking for is redemption on our last buy-in, which we got stopped out on, which was right here as we broke out of a major bull flag formation. Unfortunately, we did get caught up on price ceiling at $170 here. So what we're looking for is a confirmation above here for us to long to the upside and continuing on from there. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. So like I said earlier this week, BYDFI is getting rid of that previous May event, and they now have a June event, which I'm excited for. You can see it right here. They have a June trading challenge for you guys to earn rewards up to $1,000, which is super cool. And it's about trading volume. So you can sign up and earn free cryptocurrency, which I'll show you in a second. But now, based off trading volume, which is very easy to do, especially with leverage, you can earn up to $1,000 here. 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000. It's extremely easy to do and very easy to do as well. You can see during the event period, participants will be rewarded based on trading volume. So this is super easy, and it's yet again another free way to earn money on top of your money. It's a double incentive. So make sure to check this out with BYDFI down in the description below, and I'll show you how to get your sign-up bonus as well in the description down below. Anywho, diving into the technical analysis, I want to start off looking at XRP here. Then we'll look at Bitcoin, which I think is destined to break at any moment right now. But you can see overall, we are on XRP on the daily charts here. You can see we did fall into a symmetrical triangle, but so far things have been panning out quite beautifully. If you ask me, maybe we even have the point where we could draw on some sort of Elliott wave here. You can see for the most part, we're almost at completion here. We filled this in, and typically when we fall into a chart, we usually break down out of it, and that is still a big possibility that falling into like a bear trend falling into a symmetrical triangle usually ends in a bear trend as well. It's usually just a continuation pattern. It's consolidation that happens, but inevitably continues whatever trend it was already in that entered that symmetrical triangle. So we have to keep our eyes peeled on a potential correction here. But even if that doesn't happen, it's very simple. Looking at this daily chart here, you can see it's a massive symmetrical triangle. We have clear supports and clear resistances, and what we are looking for is a breach. We need to either close above price ceiling for us to long, or we need to close below price floor for us to short. Once one of those two opportunities approach themselves, we will be taking advantage on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. You can see here we are tracking Bitcoin as well for a opportunity to trade as well. Just a slight tweak in the chart shows even more consolidation and how we jumped the gun earlier in the past. So I'm super annoyed, but hopefully we can hold above. You can see the last time we really came into contact, battled out the moving averages, we broke upwards, and we're looking for that same trend to happen as well. So pay attention to BYDFI and pay attention to those charts here. But back to XRP, we have, this is the unfortunate part, we have until mid-June, maybe early June. So less than 2 weeks for us to really complete the symmetrical triangle here. The goal is that we break out earlier than that. That'd be lovely, and that's typically what happens, which is why we're waiting patiently to see this here. There were some intra-trading opportunities here, but those are pretty much long gone now, and the point now is to wait for the breakout to actually take place for us to capitalize, efficiently off here. Now, besides the trading volume bonus that they are giving on BYDFI here, what's even cooler is they have a welcome rewards bonus. So for those that haven't signed up already, with a link in the description down below, or for those that have already that just haven't taken advantage of it, go over to the welcome rewards page. You can earn over 2K in free cryptocurrency by completing these tasks right here, which is super cool. What's also even more interesting is they have a demo trading account that's new, so you can actually practice trading for free on the demo trading account. They give you 50K Monopoly money, get familiar with the platform, and then when you're ready, click live trading and you can use real crypto or your bonus money, which is very, very, very cool and very unique to the exchange. Now, moving forward from XRP, looking at Bitcoin here, I think we're destined to pop. I know I've been saying that for a couple of days, and it does take a couple of days for us to consolidate out. Sometimes it could be as early as yesterday or the day before. Sometimes it could take a little longer, but you can see the overall volume, the length of volume that we've had. These major swings have slowly constricted into a point where we're going to have to make a decision. Hopefully that decision is to the upside here. There's a lot of things riding on a bullish break because we have this beautiful moving average as a support that'll hopefully allow prices to rebound. Again, I don't know for certain where we're going to be moving to, but it's very simple. If we can confirm yet again a closure above price ceiling, we can then buy in and take advantage of that long opportunity, which would be fairly large because you can see, like I've said before, if the symmetrical triangle usually it's a continuation pattern from how we broke into it. So because we broke into this in a bull run, we should exit it in a bull run as well. So if I just get the, where is it? I don't know why this is so hard to find. Here we go. The price range, you can see, or I'll just take a charting here. We have this flag pull, we extend this here, we could easily hit $78,000 on Bitcoin, which would be incredible, and yet again an all-time high. So pay attention to this massive bull flag. These always break bullish here. We just need to fill in the gap and complete it. And the fact that we're now riding on this bottom support, this moving average, we have a price floor and moving average as backing. I hope that we break out because that's what we're looking for here, and it's only a matter of time. So just like yesterday, 2 days ago, literally since the breakout on the 24th, or 27th here, the past 3 days, I have been checking my charting every single day to wait for a 4-hour closure. And once that 4-hour closure happens, then I can buy in and long because it's going to happen and it's only a matter of time, and we'll be able to take advantage of that on BYDFI. So you can see moving forward from that, looking at, we looked at XRP, we looked at Bitcoin. Looking at Solana here, we have this bull flag as well. We're waiting for that to break out. It hasn't happened just yet. Clearly caught up on resistance here, so just let it play out. Again, buying opportunity is above price ceiling on 4 hours. So wait for that patiently, and then we'll have that opportunity to take a run at it, But with that being said, looking at Ethereum, and then that should be it for the cryptos, you can also see an uptrend very similar to Solana as well here with this kind of resistance and support. And you can see as we fill this in, the goal is to break out of these resistances. But again, Ethereum, I'm putting it on the back burner. I don't like the way Ethereum is charting right now. There's not enough technical indicators, but you can see overall the bull flag that we had originally on the daily broke us bullish. This is the same bull flag that we're looking at on other cryptos. So you can see with like a Bitcoin symmetrical triangle, we're looking for that break. It's very similar to what's happening on Ethereum. And as for the S&P, more consolidation. We're pretty much floating at the same exact price, and we've managed to lower ourselves from 70 to 54, which is huge. Hopefully, there's a good chance we might even rally higher because we've lowered ourselves so much, but we'll see exactly what happens. I'm still more biased in leaning towards a correction, but we'll see which way the price wants to move. Now, with that being said, guys, make sure to join BYDFI with the link down below. Get your free crypto with the trading volume bonus. And with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.